Hey everyone, Chris here from WS Medical. The chair we're running through today, this is our Multi-Bari. This chair has a safe working load of 255 kg and 160 kg on the leg rest. Comes in 4 sizes, 24, 26, 28 and 30 inch seat widths. The benefit with this one is it is modular and we can put a specific pressure relieving cushion in, which we'll get to in a second. So just running through the features of this chair. So it's got a standard 3-piece waterfall back design. This back design, each of these cushions you can access and you can take some of the filling out if you need to get it specific to a client. As I mentioned, it's modular. So these back cushions, each one can come off and we can put seat depth adjusters, we can put supports in if needed, whether it's a bit more lateral support, whatever you need for your client, we can put in here. This is just our standard waterfall design. So it's always best just to send us an email. So this is the specifications that you're after and we'll let you know what we can do. The fabric that this is upholstered in, this is a Dartex 4-way stretch material. And the Dartex 4-way stretch material is really important because it allows for immersion. So you can see the material stretching there 4 ways. That immersion is really important across the back and the base for when your client needs to really get down into the pressure relieving features of whatever cushion you've got in here. So that 4-way stretch is really important with that Dartex fabric. On the outside is our Valencia C5 fabric. That's tested to 300,000 rubs on the Martindale test, so it's a very high wearing material and it's also really easy to clean. Now to access the pressure care cushion, the easiest way to do it is just take off one of these, the bottom modular cushion, put that aside, and then at the back here is a bit of Velcro. Take that off and you can access the cushion here. This specific cushion, this is a cool form, so there's got a silicone gel on the top and then foam underneath that. We can put other specific cushions in here, whether that's a C1 South or a Geo Matrix. It's really simple, the cushion just easily comes out and we can put whatever you need in here. We can also build up different layers in here to suit whatever your client needs. The chaise is also generously padded with a memory foam in it as well, so that makes it nice and soft, and again it's got that Dartex Performance 4-way stretch fabric. If you ever get lost, it says whatever it is, so Multi-Bari 28 inch bariatric bottom waterfall back. So this particular design, both the footrest and the backrest are independent. We can mount the controller on either the left or the right. This is the 28 inch width version. So you can see here, a simple 4-button remote, 4 buttons, independent backrest. So the backrest works independently. And then you've got your rise function. And again, it's very smooth through the actuator stroke. Means that there's no jarring when you're trying to support a safe working load of 255 kgs. And it does lift right up to a really nice angle to allow the person to be able to comfortably just walk away from the seat. There are hook tags on both the left and right side, and again we've also got arm covers that we can put over this if needed, if you want to be able to mount it somewhere else. So you can see quite a nice angle there to enable the client or the user of the chair just to be able to stand up and get out of the chair. If I'll put this back now, it's got lockable casters on the front as well, so for housekeeping, if you need to move the chair you can just clip up the 2 front casters and away you go. And once it's down, so you can see quite a nice angle there to enable the client or the user of the chair just to be able to stand up and get out of the chair. You can see the backrest you've got fully independent there, and again I could keep pressing that button to put the leg rest out if needed. So that's the Multi-Bari chair, safe working load up to 255 kgs, 120 kgs on the leg rest, multiple widths, again modular, so you can change the backrest as needed. We can also change the pressure care cushion in there to whatever you need for your client specific needs.